Brian?
Don't come around that corner.
He has a gun on.
You have no idea what I'm.
All right, Brian.
Get the out of here now.
2025년 5월 26일 모로카운티 보안관 사무소에 긴급 신고 전화가 걸려왔습니다.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
I can't even remember what the address is now. I was in Marengo. My truck got shot.
Your truck got shot?
I believe so, yeah.
Do you know who was shooting?
Yeah, his name's Brian Wilson.
Wilson?
Yeah, Brian Wilson.
Do you have a description of his vehicle or anything like that?
No, I went there because my sister-in-law, he called my wife yelling at her. I went there to talk with him, and he come out with a pistol in his hand, and he ended up shooting at my truck.
You're not injured or
No,
anything?
I'm not injured, no.
Okay, just take a deep breath. We have them on the way.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
신고자는 자신의 형님 브라이언 윌슨이 자신을 향해 총을 쐈다고 진술했고 모로카운티 보안관 사무소는 경찰관 2명을 출동시켰습니다. 링클러 경관은 신고자의 위치로 출발했고 셰러 경관은 브라이언 윌슨의 집으로 출발하였습니다. 현장에서 마주한 신고자는 큰 충격을 받은 상태로 보였습니다.
So, is there issues going on between you and your brother?
His brother-in-law.
I get that.
There's never been a problem.
Okay.
My wife told him because he put something on Facebook, and she wanted to call him, get straightened out whatever he did, and he started cussing her out and everything. And I said, "You do not talk to my wife that way." I said, "I'll come over and we can talk."
Okay.
I get there, he came out with the gun. He goes, "You need to leave." I got in the truck. As I'm getting in the truck, he fired at my passenger side.
So how many times did he shoot?
2 clips. I don't really know how many bullets went flying. But I got caught one here.
73. I have multiple shots been fired into the truck.
One here. 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 One, two,
So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Leaving.
Okay.
And I don't see anymore.
38597. John Victor Nor 5518. John Victor Nor 5518. So you pulled in the driveway, got out, he told you to leave.
He started hollering through the window, and I said, "Come outside, we need to talk."
Okay.
I wasn't going to go to the door. I was still in the driveway.
Alan Budernot out of Galena, 2017 Chevy, gray in color.
And he said, "You get out of here." I said, "That's fine." I turned, I was going to my truck, and as I was getting in, he started firing, so I dropped out onto the ground, and I heard that he was done shooting. I jumped up there and started the truck, backed out.
Handgun?
It was a handgun.
Okay. Color? Did you see anything?
I didn't see it.
Okay. All right, I get it. I'm just trying to figure out the best.
I seen gun and I was getting the fuck out of Dodge. That's
Okay.
all.
I get that.
SNS에 올린 게시글 하나가 가족 간의 총격전으로 번진 충격적인 사건이었고 경관은 도대체 어떤 내용이었는지 묻기 시작합니다.
What was the posting on Facebook?
It was about their dad.
Okay.
He's up in a hospital in Lima,
Okay.
possibly dying.
Okay.
And he goes, it couldn't happen to a better man.
That irritated.
And
Okay.
it irritated, you know. I just don't, and the way he was talking to my wife, I just want to come here and talk to him and say, look, you don't talk to her that way. If you want to come over and we can hash it out, talk like human beings, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm not coming up here to fight the guy or nothing. That's what he thinks.
Okay. You didn't make any threats to him?
No, sir, I
Nothing?
didn't.
Okay.
No, sir, I didn't.
What did you say anything besides let's talk about it and trying
I
that
said,
situation?
let's come outside and talk to him.
Okay. All right.
That's all I said.
All right. Did you have a gun? Did you fire back
No,
at
sir.
all? Do you have a gun on you?
No, sir, I don't.
Nothing in the car? Okay. Is he normally like this? Aggressive?
I've never seen him like this.
Okay. And what's his name?
Brian Wilson.
Brian Wilson. All right.
한편 셰러 경관은 브라이언 윌슨의 자택 근처에 도착한 후 현장에 있던 이웃 주민의 진술을 확보하기 시작합니다. 해당 주민은 지역 소방서에서 근무하던 소방장으로 밝혀졌습니다.
So this is his house.
Okay.
His wife's across the street.
Okay.
When I got home, my wife's the one that called me.
Okay.
We were at my dad's having a cookout and all that. But anyways, I've talked to him a couple times. He's on the back porch on the directly across, sitting there.
Okay.
When I walked over to talk to him the first time, he had a family member that come up. He started screaming at them. I noticed a gun sitting right next to him.
Okay.
The magazine was out of it. I moved it for my safety, so I could talk to him to try to de-escalate and kind of find out what's going on, so nothing else kind of hopefully escalated. I went back over to check on my wife. I come back over to check on him right before you pulled up, and the gun is no longer in sight, and he's also making comments. It's all domestic with his family. But he's making comments as far as, you know, if he was to die tonight, he'd be okay with it. So I don't know if there's any intentions.
Okay.
I wanted you to make sure that you knew all this before you went up there, that I had no idea where that, it's a...
How has he been with you?
Me? Good.
Okay.
He's been okay. He's just, it's more of a family issue. He said he just wants to be understood. There's been a lot of, I guess, with his wife, all that type of stuff with his family members. But that, as far as with me, he's totally fine. But I've never had an issue with him in the past. And I think he's been drinking.
Okay.
I can definitely smell alcohol. But yeah, so I just, for your safety, man, that's
No,
all
I
I'm
appreciate
worried
it.
about. I don't know where he put his gun. I don't know if he's got the magazine back in it or not. But when I did, and it may, if you have to fingerprint it, it may have mine on just because I moved it type stuff.
That's what I was gonna get was gloves, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go back over here if you need anything.
Perfect, thank you.
소방장은 브라이언이 무장을 하고 있긴 하지만 그의 분노는 특정 인물을 향한 것이 아니라 초기에 발생한 가정 문제에 대한 상황 때문이라며 대화하는데 큰 문제는 없을 것이라고 설명하였습니다. 셰러 경관은 브라이언의 자택 쪽으로 걸어가기 시작했고 그 다음 벌어질 일은 아무도 예상하지 못했을 것입니다.
Brian?
Dude,
Nope.
don't come up here.
All right.
I'm telling you right now, I'm not in the mood.
What are you not in the mood for?
I'm not in the mood because has been sick life from her dad.
Can we talk
her
about it?
uncle, her cousins, everybody, and all of a sudden
38.
now her dad's dying, and I say something,
Brian has
and
the
I'm
gun.
a piece of shit.
Okay.
That kid.
Brian!
You don't come around that corner.
I have one
I
at
will
gunpoint.
fucking kill you. I'm not playing.
That's fair.
You better just go if you want your family to see you tomorrow.
He has a gun on
You
him.
have no idea what I'm
All right, Brian.
Get the out of here now.
Can we talk about it?
You.
바로 그 순간 브라이언이 셰러 경관에게 총격을 가했고 셰러 경관은 가슴에 한 발을 맞고 쓰러졌습니다. 쓰러진 상태에서 셰러 경관은 반격했고 브라이언도 총에 맞았다고 합니다. 총격 소리를 들은 이웃들이 다시 한번 경찰에 신고했고 초기 신고자의 진술을 확보하고 있던 링클러 경관도 즉시 브라이언의 집으로 출발했습니다.
Do you want me to respond as well? They're getting multiple 911 right now.
What are they getting? 73, you all right? $38.59. What's the other 911s coming in?
They're all coming in right now from the same address. Same callers from last time. Seating officer down at this time. Dispatching squad now.
You're clear. Where? Where is he?
He's on the porch.
Who is? Where's the shooter?
He's on the porch.
The shooter is? Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
I don't know. He said he threw it.
Where's the shooter?
He's on the porch screaming. I'm with you.
Give me your hands!
Put your hands up now! Where's the gun? It's down. I'm sorry. I don't give a f***. Where's the gun? It's down. My
hands are up. Please help me, please. I'm sorry. 3859, I got multiple gunshots. 2 victims, one's gonna be our... I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Roll over! Okay. I know, I'm sorry, please. I know I hurt so bad. I'm sorry. Is he alright? I'm sorry. 3859, start me at 29. I do have a firefighter on scene saying it's going to be a code 16. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
3829 is already en route, coming from station 39.
I'm sorry. Ow! My shoulder's broke. Please help. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. Ow.
현장은 말 그대로 아수라장이었고 셰러 경관의 맥박은 느껴지지 않았습니다. 그리고 4분 뒤 지원 요청을 받은 경찰관들이 현장에 도착했습니다.
Your officer's down. Yeah. He's gone. I need EMS for him, but I don't give a
Can you revise your
I want you to know, you tell me when they can come in.
I'm sorry. What's ETA on EMS?
Multiple extremities. How old are you?
Same stage, we're sending him in now.
How old are you? Brian.
Coming in with a 6-minute ETA.
50 something?
Yeah. Please help me, sir. I'm sorry. Please help me. I just want to survive. My hands
Brian's
hurt
going to be
so
a
bad.
50-year-old male. Possible multiple gunshots to arm and leg.
Please help me. Thank you so much.
Now, I'm not done doing your arm. Just make sure he has no other injuries.
Thank you.
We'll test it.
Thank you guys. I love
Maybe.
you guys. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Blow her stomach.
Please help me.
현장에 있던 소방장이 셰러 경관에게 심폐소생술을 시도했고 응급구조대는 비교적 신속히 현장에 도착했습니다. 안타깝게도 그들의 노력은 실패로 끝났고 셰러 경관은 현장에서 숨을 거두었습니다. 반면 브라이언은 병원으로 이송된 후 치료를 받아 목숨을 건졌습니다. 경관 한 명은 주변 목격자들의 진술을 확보하러 발길을 돌렸습니다.
I said, you guys see anything?
Yeah, we saw everything.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
That's a hell of a lot to walk in on, bud.
Okay.
He asked us if we saw anything.
Yeah, they don't.
It was a 22.
They're the same grade.
I don't know what the caliber was. They're small. It looks like small caliber, but I mean, it'll depending on where you get hit, it'll go right through this stuff.
Oh, really?
I think up top, there's nothing up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I gotta do my job, unfortunately.
Yeah.
They started talking. Well, it started
came
when
out.
we heard the clips.
He got out of his car, the sheriff.
No, let's start with we heard the fire.
Well, okay, yeah, so I'll start at the beginning. He shot at the wife's brother's truck.
Where was it shooting at? Here?
Yeah.
The original shooting?
Yeah, it was at their house.
Okay.
And he was pulling the truck out of their driveway. He unloaded 2 clips. They left. She walked over here, talked to us. We called the sheriffs.
He came up and talked to me.
And he proceeded to scream and cuss and yell from his porch for 20 minutes.
And then,
seems like a long time.
Yeah, the sheriff rolled up. He was in his car for a minute. He got out. He got in the back of the car.
Well, this guy came over.
Oh, yeah.
So the fire chief lives here.
What?
Yeah.
Fire chief, right?
He's a
He's a
paramedic. He's a captain.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he went over and talked to him.
I said he called in and said he had him somewhat calmed down.
Yeah,
but
he had him calm down, and he literally, as soon as my husband went over there, he started just bawling his eyes out, telling him the full story. And then my husband scooted the gun away from him. And then when a few minutes later, when my husband went back over there, the gun was gone. He didn't even see it. And then when the sheriff came, yeah.
The gun came out.
The gun
say,
came out.
were you guys watching when the shooting started?
Yes, we
So
saw it.
he was talking to him. The sheriff was hiding behind the house, around the corner.
Yeah.
And he's screaming a bunch of different things. said, I'm not in the mood. If you come any closer, I will kill you. And they just started shooting at each other.
He said, you will not see another day if you come closer to me.
And then he shot, and the sheriff.
The guy said that?
Yeah.
Brian said that to you.
And then the sheriff shot it. He was on the ground, and they continued to shoot. It was just each about a clip each.
Brian, you shot first?
Brian
definitely shot
Brian
first.
got up and started walking on it.
Yeah, he
was walking on
he
the
got up
march
and walked
the
towards, and I don't think the sheriff saw him. He shot first, and then the sheriff fell to the ground and started shooting.
브라이언 윌슨은 체포된 후 델라웨어 카운티 구치소에 수감되었습니다. 그는 총 14건의 혐의로 기소되었으며 주요 혐의는 다음과 같습니다. 가중처벌이 적용된 살인 혐의 2건, 일반 살인 혐의 2건, 미수 혐의 2건, 경찰관에 대한 중범죄 폭행 혐의 2건, 가정폭력 혐의, 불법 총기 사용 혐의, 공공도로 불법 총기 발사 혐의, 주거진의 불법 총기 발사 혐의, 범죄도구 소지 혐의, 그리고 음주 중 무기 사용 혐의입니다. 그의 보석금은 500만 달러, 약 68억 원으로 책정되었습니다. 모로 카운티 검찰청의 앤드류 윅 검사는 셰러 경관의 유족과 법집행기관의 협의를 거쳐 사형을 구형할 것이라고 입장을 밝혔습니다. 한편 브라이언은 국선 변호인을 선임했고 6월 17일에 법정에 출석하여 모든 혐의에 대한 무죄를 주장하였습니다. 이에 따라 그의 보석금은 900만 달러, 약 122억 원으로 인상되었습니다. 다음 공판은 2025년 8월 25일로 예정되어 있고 추후에 판결 결과가 공개되면 고정 댓글에 달아드리겠습니다. 사건이 사건인 만큼 신속한 결과 공개가 이루어질 것으로 예상됩니다. 다니엘 웨스턴 셰러 경관은 2021년 5월부터 모로 카운티 보안관실에서 근무해왔습니다. 그는 오하이오주 경찰훈련 아카데미를 졸업하였으며 다양한 법집행 관련 교육 프로그램을 이수하였습니다. 동료들에 따르면 그는 항상 밝은 미소를 잃지 않았고 주변에 긍정적인 에너지를 전하는 인물로 기억되고 있습니다. 당시 31살이었던 그는 약혼녀와 함께 미래를 계획하고 있었다고 합니다. 이번 사건은 모로 카운티 역사상 최초의 순직 사례로 기록되었으며 지역 사회와 동료들은 깊은 애도를 표하였습니다.